Hello everyone, myself Ashutosh. If you don't know me, then this is me, just my hair I showed right now. As you can see, I'm presenting a PPT based on mathematics activity. So let's begin. This is the format of result which we receive after giving final exams or midterm exams. Now what if our result would be presented in this way? Marks of English in UT1, marks of mathematics in UT1, marks of economics in UT2, marks of mathematics in UT2, and so on. Wouldn't be too lengthy? Like it can cover more than 2 pages in normal font size. So this kind of problem was sorted out by this gentleman named Joseph Sylvester. He derived a term matrix, which by definition is an ordered rectangular array of numbers or functions. For starters, matrix is basically better representation of numbers, functions. And today I'm gonna present some basics of matrix. And for that I'm gonna use this result of Harshit, who know how to collect data and present it. So this is how he created his data for presentation, but in form of the matrix it will be like this. Well, we can quickly find out the similarities. Actually both are the same things but with different representation. So right one is matrix, on which we are going to focus today. Yeah, that one which is in rectangular array. Now see the vertical lines where UT1 marks are given, and similar case with UT2 marks. These vertical lines are termed as columns. Here are 2 columns. Similarly, if we notice it horizontally, where subject-wise numbers are given for subject mathematics 18 and 17, and then 19 and 20, these horizontal lines are called as rows. And here if we count, then we can see there are 5 rows. So we have 5 rows and 2 columns. This helps in forming order and elements. Let's begin with order. Basically order is just row into column, which we do not pronounce as row into column, but we pronounce it as row by column. And here since we have 5 rows and 2 columns, so it's 5 by 2. Now this order helps in finding number of elements. What are elements? The shadowed part are elements. How about we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. But using order, we can simply find out these numbers of elements, which is the product of order. And here order is 5 by 2, so number of elements equals to 10, which we counted. Now let's know about these elements. A specific element is presented by ARC, as you can see on your screen. Let's take 18 for example. Since it is in first row and first column, so it will be represented by A11. But what if I take 20? How do you know that which 20 I am talking about? Here are 3 20s. You can just clarify by saying the row number and column number with the respective 20. Here the 20 which I am talking about is in 4th row and 2nd column. So it's that 20. And that's it for today. I hope you could understand these basics of matrix, and thanks for watching until now.